Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Salwa Frezal dengan NIM 2303715 dan teman saya
Stedi Multi dengan NIM 2303738.
Kami ingin menampilkan tugas video perkenalan diri dengan bahasa Inggris. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Stedi Multi. You can call me Dina. What about you?
My name is Salwa Frezal. Usually call Awa. What major are you from?
I am from the Statistics Department, Diploma Study Program, Faculty of Mathematics and Science. What about you?
Well, we are from the same department, but I'm a bachelor degree study program. Where are you from?
I am from Padang Pariaman. What about you?
I'm from Pariaman.
Do you live here alone or with your family?
I live in a boarding house on Jalan Gajah 6. What about you?
I also live in boarding house in the Parkit 8 area.
Thanks for your time, Dina. See you later.
You are welcome. See you, Awa.
Bye.